Welcome back, friends.
Welcome back. We're super excited to finish our talk about acids and bases. And let's start this week's episode with the
answer of the Brave Out Web question.
Yes, I know you guys probably thought we forgot, but we didn't. As a matter of
I took the words right out of your mouth.
You did take them right out of my mouth. We're going to use the answer to last week's question to get this episode rolling. So, do you remember the Brains at Work question from last week?
No.
No. Well, let's remind our friends at home too. The question was, do you think toothpaste is an acid or a base, and why? So, Avery, do you think that toothpaste is an acid or a base?
I think so.
You think it's a bit of both? If you had to pick just one, which one would you pick?
Pick a little both.
You still would just pick a little of both? Okay. Well, it's actually a mild base, which is really good because as we talked about last week, there's a lot of things that we eat on a day-to-day basis that have acids in them. Do you remember anything that we eat?
Yes.
What's that?
Salad.
Salad dressing, yeah.
Is it base?
Well, it's an acid. The dressing, most salad dressings have vinegar, so that would make it an acid. Do you remember any of the fruits?
Oranges and grapefruits and lemons.
Yes, they all have acids in them. So when we brush our teeth, the toothpaste neutralizes those acids to protect the enamel. So that's why it's so important to brush your teeth after you eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's because if you don't brush your teeth, you might get cavities in your teeth. Like Nuggy hasn't brushed his teeth.
Well, Nuggy's a dog and he can't brush his teeth. We have to give him special treats. Yeah. And then sometimes we take him to the vet and they'll brush his teeth for it.
So what are we going to do today?
Well, today we're going to learn about some cool things that we can do in the kitchen and in the lab using bases.
Yay, bases.
But before we do that, we have to ask our Brains at Work.
One question. I take them right out of your mouth.
You should take the words right out of my mouth. Which one do you think is more dangerous, an acid or a base? Which one do you think?
I think I'm choosing with you.
You're choosing with me? I didn't answer. You got to give me an answer. Which one do you think? Acids or bases?
I don't know.
Just guess.
I don't know.
You don't know? You want to wait till you get a little bit more information? That's pretty smart. What about you guys at home? What do you think is more dangerous, an acid or a base? Hold on to that thought. And let's go to the
lab.
I
took them right out of your mouth.
You're just going to take the words out of my mouth all day?
No! To the lab, friends. We're back.
We're back. And we're ready to talk about some bases. Can you think of a good way to test whether or not it's a base?
Yeah.
Or it's an acid? How?
It's because of the cabbage water.
That's right. We did an experiment a couple weeks ago with cabbage water, and what did we do with the cabbage water?
We made it like some kind of bread to make our petite mini cakes.
We did. We had acids that turned our cabbage water red, and then the bases turned it like a green, right? Yeah.
Like, it reminds me of something about this.
Like what?
Like when, at the last time we were like with those little jar bottles, and then they mixed it up some things with baking soda, and then what is it? Bases
and acids, absolutely. Well, today we don't have cabbage water. Today, Mommy's got something different. This is called litmus paper.
What's a litmus paper?
Well, litmus paper comes in, we've got yellow, they have some blue ones.
Where are the blue?
We don't have blue, we only have the yellow. But some people may have blue. And on the inside, it gives you a little chart. And this chart helps you determine if something is an acid, which if it is, then it'll be red. It's really, really acidic.
So
7 is neutral. That means it's not an acid, it's not a base. And then the darker blue purple it gets, the stronger the base.
So this one is the acid?
So the red ones, the orange and the red,
Orange and yellow?
Yeah, the
So,
orange and that yellow, those are all acids.
and these ones too?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so your pH scale goes from 0 to 14. So what our experiment is going to be today is...
So we have our eye drop.
We do have an eye drop. But today for our experiment, we've got 5 different liquids here. And we're going
What is mineral water that my mom put in a lipstick one?
We do have mineral water. We have borax water. We've got some soapy water, salty water, and then we have an antacid water, which has like Tums in it.
Yeah, like it's like a little the same of mineral water.
It does look the same as mineral water. It's all bubbly, right?
Yeah, like the other, but that one is much bigger.
Yes, the mineral water does have bigger bubbles. You're absolutely right.
But those ones have teeny.
So what we're going to do is, since we have 5, we're going to use 5 pieces of litmus paper, and then you do get to get your eyedropper, and you're going to put 1 drop on each. And then for the experiment, we're going to see which one...
on each of you?
Yeah, on each of your 5. They'll all get 1. And then for your science experiment, what you're going to do is rate them, which one is stronger and which one is weaker. And so you'll be able to tell by the color. So the higher number is the strongest one, and then the lower numbers will be weak. Okay? So we're going to...
Can you show me guys?
I will. First, let's take out 5 of these.
1,
1,
2,
2.
3,
You gotta wait till I get them before you count.
3, 4.
Yeah, that's just 1.
Last but
And
not least 5.
last but not least, 5. Okay, and we have 5. So we're gonna start, and remember, just 1 drop. This is our antacid water. Let's move this over.
So I'm supposed to dip it in.
Just a little, squeeze, and let go. There you go. Now squeeze a drop in the middle. Okay, and so our antacid water, what color does it look like?
Does it look like is
Does it look like this one?
yes.
What number is that?
7.
So 7 is neutral.
It's weak.
So yeah, so it's not an acid or a base. So let's put it, we're going to put it right here.
Sorry, friend.
That's okay, we're going to keep going. And we're going to put it right there.
Next to the salt.
Next, we're going to do the salty water.
I'm not sure about it.
You're not sure about it. All right, ready?
It smells good. I smell
Come on, you. And then just a drop right in the center. Good. That was a big drop. There you go.
I just do that so I just push it bigger. I just push it there
Yeah.
so that way I can get all the water out.
So it can get all the water out. I'll be honest, that one looks like it is a 7. This, ooh, your antacid water actually got a little darker. We might have to wait till they dry to see.
That's a
look,
little.
it is. We said it was a 7, but now it looks more like a what?
9.
Looks more like a 9?
Yes.
I agree. All right, let's put our antacid water back, and we'll put this one back. So this is our soapy water.
Oh, I do not like soap water.
Gee, why?
I just don't like soapy water.
All right, all the way in.
Ready?
Yep. And then just a drop in the center.
Sorry.
That's all right.
I'm aware.
Okay. We're going to let it dry down just a little bit, but at first glance, it looks kind of like a what?
A little of a 7 and 5.
I think it looks kind of like an 8.
I disagree.
You disagree?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to put it right here. And we're going to put it back, and we're going to let it sit for just a little. See if we change our mind about what it looks like, okay?
I have disagreed with what it is.
You have disagreed with what it is?
So,
This is our, I know, I got you, girl. I'm gonna let you do it. This is our borax water.
oh, I do not like
All right,
borax.
grab a little bit.
I do not like borax.
Do you know what it is?
Borax?
Yeah, what is it?
Borax water.
Yeah, but do you know what it is? What borax is?
No.
All right, get a little bit. Borax is okay. Oh! That's you already got it on there. Do it again. You can do a little bit more. It is. Ooh, that turned really dark. Borax is it's like a laundry detergent, so it helps get your clothes clean.
So I think it's 10.
You think it's 10?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that one. Sorry, it's 10.
I don't know.
We can maybe change our minds.
We can maybe change our minds. I'm thinking it's looking a little like 11.
I think it's like.
Let's hold it up.
I think it's like. Can I see?
Yeah. We'll have to zoom in so our friends can see it really good.
I think it will be a 14.
Oh, you think a 14?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see what else. And then our last one. Wait.
Is our mineral water.
Last one is mineral water.
I took them right out of your mouth.
Yeah, you did. All right. You're probably going to have... Let's see. Hopefully it's not contaminated. Just grab some. You don't have to stir the mineral water because there's nothing in it. That's good. Small drop. A drop. You're squeezing. Look. Hold it up like that. Up.
It's like a light green.
It is like a light green, which is very good. Since you like to drink mineral water.
Can I drink it?
No, you can't.
Why?
Okay. So.
Let me try something.
Nope. Leave it. Stop. Thank you. And here. So take a look here. Okay. So for our mineral water, which one do you think?
I think it's at a 7.
I do too. I think it's very, very neutral. Except for that one little spot I think might be some leftover borax.
Yeah.
So let's put it back. And we're going to zoom in really close so our friends can see what we're looking at here.
Yeah.
Okay, friends, so here are our 5 different containers. As you can see, our litmus paper.
With our mineral water, congratulations.
is in front. And this actually has...
Congratulations, I'll take it.
Has the numbers.
Yes.
Of 1 through 14. We're looking more in the ranges from 7 to 14. That's what our bases are going to be based off of. All right. Are you ready?
Yes. Can you move them?
I need you to move them from lightest to darkest. Go. You're done?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see how she did, friends. Okay, friends, that looks pretty good. So the weakest one is the dark one or the light one, Avery?
Light.
Good call. So it looks like out of these 5, the weakest base is salt water. Then soapy water and mineral water look to be about the same. Your antacid water is stronger. And then the strongest is borax water, which, as you can tell, is a dark blue.
Yeah,
Almost.
It's like 14.
It's not quite 14. I would say
13.
Going off of what we got here, it's probably 13. Like a 12. And then your antacid water is about an 11. And then your soapy water. There is. Your soapy water and mineral water are somewhere between 8 and 9. And then your salty water is somewhere between, it's about 7. So between like 7 and 8. So good job, Avery.
Thank you. What do we have here?
So what we're going to do for our second experiment is something I really think you're going to like it and our friends at home are going to like.
So this was the prize. You couldn't even tell me.
It was the surprise experiment that I couldn't tell you about. Are you ready? What? Are you ready? You don't even know what it is yet. Okay. I'm going to show you how to make a bouncy ball. You're going to make a bouncy ball. Too tight. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So
We have our glue and our glitter.
Yes. We also have some borax.
Yes.
And we've got boiling water. So we put...
So we already put this inside where we haven't put these two ingredients inside.
So the first step is that you're going to want to put half of a tablespoon of borax powder into a fourth of a cup of boiling water. Mix it up so that it completely dissolves, and then we're going to set it aside and let it cool down a little bit so it's easier to handle. In the meantime, though,
we have our glue.
We've got some Elmer's glue. Yeah. You can use clear glue.
It's colored glue.
All we happen to have at the house today
how to open it.
Was colored glue, but you can use clear glue at home.
I opened it.
So we've got some colored glue and we have some glitter because we like sparkles around here. So we're going to take this off and we need 2 tablespoons of glue. That's 1 tablespoon. So can you fill that up 2 times? And then we're going to put it in this empty cup. Oh, there it goes. I think it's going to be all of this little bitty bottle.
That's it.
All right, put it in there.
Check if there's more.
There's more. I can feel it. Got it? All right, let's do... This is some really thick glue. Let's do one more.
I'll tell you when that's it.
Well, it's still coming and...
Okay.
Got it.
Keep going a little again.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you. Stop.
I'm trying. Got it?
Did we use all the glue?
No, there's a little bit left. I can still feel a little bit in there.
I can feel some more.
You can feel a little bit more. Here, put this right here.
Okay, so we're going to let this
just melt, yeah, like that. That way it doesn't glue to the paper towel. Okay, so we'll put our glue there. And then I'm going to let you sprinkle in a little bit of this pink glitter.
I was kidding. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that's good, that's good, that's good.
Oh, let me see.
So pink and glittery. Oh, wait. And now I'm going to get you something so you can mix it around. Make sure that the glitter is combined really well in your glue if you're using glitter. So you got a spoon and just stir it for a little bit until your glitter and glue are all mixed. Let's see what we got going on here. Now that looks to be pretty mixed together here. So now we're going to add some of our borax water. Okay?
I'll put it in.
Not all of it.
I'll
do just a little bit. Stop. And what we're going to do...
I'll stir it in.
Okay. And what we're going to do is add a little bit of borax water. Keep going. You got to stir fast. At a time until it gets too hard for us to stir. And then once that happens, keep going, keep going. Don't stop, girl, don't stop. Once that happens, we'll take it out and then we'll start to mold our bouncy ball with our hand. Keep going, keep going.
Is this a bouncy ball?
Yeah, but you got to keep going. Stir it, stir it, stir it. All right, let's see what we got here.
Oh, what do we have there? What do we have?
Oh, you gotta mix it.
Whoa.
It's still got a lot of moisture in it. You mixing?
Yeah.
Make it a ball.
Oh, that's easy. I'm making it into a ball.
You're making it into a ball?
Yeah. Are we making lots of bouncy balls?
Well, I was gonna add some more, see what we get.
Okay.
Because this glue is really, really thick.
Really thick. Hey, Mama, look. I made it into a ball.
Yes, you did. And then we do want to make sure that you roll it into a ball
Like, so it'll bounce.
early on,
It'll
not at the end. Yeah.
bounce.
Before it gets too set in its ways, make sure that you roll it into a ball.
Yeah.
Avery's definitely bounces higher than mine. I think you just have more stuff in yours. The more glue you add, the bigger. Well, we're almost finished, but now we just have one more thing to do. We have to figure out how to use bases in the kitchen. Are you ready?
Sure.
I've got an idea.
What?
Something that you've never had before.
What?
Meringue cookies.
Did you make them?
We're gonna go make them right now.
What?
You ready?
Yeah. Bye, friends.
Let's go, friends.
Come on.
To the kitchen. 3, 2,
2 and 1.
We're in the kitchen, and we did have a bit of an issue. The whisk on our electric mixer broke. So
we used it.
we got to get a replacement.
Yeah. But instead we used it that.
We're going to use this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
It'll do like all the blending things.
Yes.
But I'm not sure that it'll work.
So, really quickly, do you know what meringues are?
Like cinnamon rolls?
No, they're not quite cinnamon rolls.
Well, they're like the cinnamon rolls. I noticed because they're like wrapped it around.
Yes.
And that's why they're like cinnamon rolls. Yeah. But they don't even have frosting.
They don't. So what happens is we're going to use egg whites, which, did you know that egg whites are actually a base and the yolk of an egg is actually an acid? No, you didn't know that? So we have our egg whites here, and what we're going to do is
Let's get
add
all of the ingredients.
yes, our sugar, our vanilla, our cream of tartar, and we are going to use our handheld mixer. And what happens is that we fold a lot of air into the egg whites.
When it blends up, and then it will stand by itself,
Right.
like magic. Magic.
It is a little like magic, you're right.
Silly mom.
It'll start by getting a little frothy, and then after it gets frothy, we'll see those stiff peaks form. That's how we know it's ready, and we can put them in the oven.
Silly mom. Yeah.
It's okay. Are you ready to get started?
Oh, sure.
All right.
Let's do it.
Let's do this. Got our meringue cookies out of the oven. They got some pretty nice peaks, right?
Yeah.
And we let them cook.
They're standing by themselves.
They are standing by themselves, and
That's magic.
we let them cook
That is so magic.
for about 25 minutes. Oh, be careful. You want to try that one? Okay, so you've never had meringue cookies before, right? No? Okay. I'm going to let you bite.
Oh.
What do you think? Let me taste it.
Mm.
Oh, that's good. Wait. Those are really good. In the description box below, we actually mixed in a little bit of seedless jam into ours, so we've got like a berry meringue going. They are absolutely delicious. And get these moved from the cookie sheet to the cooling rack so that they can continue to cool. And we will see you guys next week.
Yeah.
Have a blessed day.
Let's go.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to
like and subscribe. We'll be back. Bye.
Bye.
God loves you too. And God always will love you.